In this video, we're diving into how to use Tenable for real-time threat detection and how it can help secure your system against potential cyber risks. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share an exclusive way to access Tenable for free and give you a bonus you won't want to miss. First, let's break down what Tenable is. At its core, Tenable is a cybersecurity software that specializes in real-time threat detection. It continuously monitors your network for vulnerabilities and risks, helping you stay ahead of potential attacks. What makes it stand out is its ability to identify threats in real time, giving you the upper hand in mitigating potential damage before it's too late. Next thing, one of the key features of Tenable is its vulnerability scanning. This feature allows you to scan your network and devices to detect weaknesses that could be exploited by cybercriminals. By actively scanning for vulnerabilities, Tenable helps you patch security gaps and maintain a secure environment. The third thing, Tenable provides powerful analytics and reporting tools. These tools give you actionable insights into the threats your system is facing. You can easily visualize trends, monitor security postures, and receive alerts when high-risk vulnerabilities are detected. This proactive approach helps you stay one step ahead of evolving threats. Moving on, Tenable also integrates with a variety of other security tools, which means you don't have to overhaul your entire cybersecurity setup to use it effectively. Whether you're using firewalls, intrusion detection systems, or other monitoring tools, Tenable works seamlessly to enhance your overall security ecosystem. The fifth thing worth mentioning is Tenable scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Tenable can scale with your needs. As your organization grows, Tenable's capabilities expand to ensure that every device and endpoint is covered, no matter how complex your infrastructure becomes. Now, let's talk about how to use Tenable for real-time threat detection specifically. Once you set it up, Tenable continuously scans your system, identifying vulnerabilities and correlating threats in real time. The platform uses advanced algorithms and threat intelligence to prioritize the most critical vulnerabilities and provide recommendations for mitigation. This helps you focus on fixing the most pressing issues first, saving you time and resources. And before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use Tenable for free through the first link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get additional tools to enhance your threat detection even further. Make sure to check it out. In conclusion, Tenable is an incredibly powerful tool for real-time threat detection, helping you safeguard your systems with constant monitoring, vulnerability scanning, and actionable insights. Remember, don't wait until it's too late. Get started with Tenable today and take control of your cybersecurity. Lastly, don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial through the link below, so you can explore all Tenable has to offer with no commitments.